What if everything you needed to grow your business, the leads, the follow-ups, the reviews, the bookings, ran on autopilot? Not someday, right now. My name is Anne-Marie Walts. I'm a certified GoHighLevel expert and a business systems veteran, and I'm here to tell you the era of duct taping your digital marketing is over. Here's the reality most business owners face. You've got one tool for SEO, another for social media scheduling, a different platform for email, one more for reviews, a CRM that doesn't talk to any of them, and a calendar app that's always out of sync. You're not running a business. You're managing chaos. 10 apps, 10 logins, 10 monthly invoices, and still leads are slipping through the cracks. Phones ring, nobody answers, and that potential client? They've already called your competitor. This is what it costs to fly blind in the digital age, and it's costing you more than you know. Introducing the Agency OS, one system, one login, one monthly investment that replaces everything else. Built on the GoHighLevel platform, the Agency OS unifies your SEO, social media, and AI automation into a single intelligent command center. Your SEO rankings feed directly into your CRM. Your social content is scheduled and published automatically. And an AI engine works in the background, capturing leads, sending follow-ups, and nurturing prospects around the clock. Imagine a unified dashboard where every data point is connected, where your pipeline is always full, where no lead ever falls through the cracks again. Don't just take our word for it. The results speak for themselves. When a call goes unanswered, the Agency OS sends an instant text back, automatically. No manual follow-up, no missed opportunity. Just a system that works while you sleep. 5-star reviews populate your Google business profile without you lifting a finger. Appointment reminders go out on time, every time. And your reputation score climbs month after month on autopilot. This isn't a hack. This isn't a shortcut. This is a proven, systemized machine that turns every touch point into a conversion opportunity. The Agency OS subscription machine runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It doesn't take lunch breaks. It doesn't call in sick. And it never forgets to follow up. This is the future of business growth. Not more apps, not more hires, not more hustle, just one intelligent system, working relentlessly so you don't have to. High-ticket results, predictable revenue, unlimited scale. The Agency OS by Anne-Marie Walts. Your business finally running the way it should.